Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you how to change the temperature display from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. This video should apply to first generation of these vehicles made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. So you will be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, so I want to press either right or left button twice to get to the main menu. And once you are here, you will scroll down using the down button until you reach units. Then press OK in the middle to enter the menu. And then select the temperature, and here you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit, right? So if I select Fahrenheit and I go back, you can see now the temperature is in Fahrenheit, right? And to switch it back to Celsius, same thing. I will go to units and I will select Celsius and I will go back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.